In this video, we will learn how to set Super A size in MS Word document. So friends, if you want to set A4, if you want to set Super A size, if you want to set paper size as Super A in your MS Word document, so open MS Word, then click on page layout. In here, click on size. Scroll down. Here you will find Super A. So just you need to click on it. Super A. That's it. And if you want to set Super A size as default, so again click on size and click on more paper size. In this drop down, select Super A, then click on set as default. Click on yes. That's it. Thanks for watching.